So here at IWG, our biggest mission is to evolve and elevate how healthcare is being done and really set the standard for other physicians to really incorporate this style of integrative care. Hi, I am Dr. Nicole, and I'm one of the head physicians here at Integrative Wellness Group, and this is my co-owner,
Dr. Nick.
We have evolved the business because of all of the voids that we found with healthcare in general. It really allowed us to learn more and then evolve our approaches with how we're actually helping people to get well, but also to stay well.
We just kept asking better quality questions, and we found out better quality answers. Being able to put all of that together with your physical body, with your chemistry, your blood work, to be able to see the whole picture and be able to really help the whole person.
Hello, my name is Dr. Phil Pritting, and here at Integrative Wellness Group, I provide chiropractic care, craniosacral therapy, and I also teach foundation training, which is a movement therapy program designed to strengthen the spine and improve posture. Here at Integrative Wellness Group, I feel we provide a unique healing experience in the fact that we strive to provide quality information, look at the body in a holistic view to help people get on a healing path and journey where they can thrive and live happy.
Hi, so I'm Dr. Nicole, and I'm here with Grace, our nutritionist.
So a big focus of mine is taking the diet that our patient has specifically tested for and customizing it to fit their lifestyle. I'm not looking to deprive a patient in any way of foods they love. I'm mostly looking to elevate their diet in a way that's going to bring their body back into balance.
My name's Marissa, and I am the office manager here at Integrative Wellness Group. One of my favorite jobs here is working with the staff to make sure that we are doing continuous education so that they can stay on the cutting edge of healthcare. Unfortunately, in today's day and age, you need to be your own healthcare advocate, and I've seen people come through the doors who have lost all hope be able to get the help that they need.